All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our TensorFlow course, and we did finish up our performance measurement module, and we did start another module today, but we're not going to go over that. We're going to go over the last thing we went over in our performance measurement, and another method that comes with TensorFlow that we will be looking at is the evaluate method. This will allow us to see that we've evaluated our model, and we have the models lost in the RMSE, or the root mean squared error values. So this is what the model will look like. Let me actually show you that in our data preparation files. You can see that here we have a model.evaluate xy, and that's what we're going to run to actually get that information. Let's go ahead and do that now. We're going to go back over to our performance measurement module so we can finish reading up. And while it's running, I'm just going to get and go ahead of time and show you what we should get back. If everything comes back correctly, we should get back our loss in value, our loss values, and our root mean squared error values. And it should be the overall values for that output or for that model. And so once it does start running, or once it does start compiling, I can go ahead and show you how that pops up. Yeah, that's the last thing we did today. We actually did start a new module today, validating and testing. But again, I'm not going to dive into that one today because we did just start it, and right now it's just notes. So we'll save that for tomorrow. Yeah. So let's get back to our performance measurement. Hopefully things boot up really soon so I can get ahead and show you what happens when you run the model.evaluate. Even though this is the output here, I just want to show you how it gets ran in live time. All right, you can see it's compiling now. It's running through everything, and everything's still configured that we still have to open our plots and close our plots to move along in the code. I didn't comment anything out because, like I said, we do need one thing for another, so I left everything the way it was. So everything's going to keep running. Our plot should open up soon. I'll open them and I'll close them, and then we'll get on to what we need to get on to. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Okay, so this should be the first plot coming up now, and that's this one here. This is our model loss plot. We're going to close that. Should open up our model performance plot. We're going to close that, and now we're going to continue on running the code or compiling our code. And the last thing we see should be this model.evaluate function here. Once everything gets ran, that should pop up for us. And again, it's going through everything because I'm not going to keep repeating it, but yeah, one thing is connected to another, so that's why I didn't comment anything out. And as you can see, we do have our model loss function, or not our model loss function. We do, yeah, it is the model loss, and then the model performance. So this is the loss values and the root mean squared error values. So that's all that is right there. That's what we went over this morning before we started our new module here. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted on a new module tomorrow. But for now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.